Hello everyone. Let me start with a fact. Only 30% of businesses survive beyond their 10th year because they fail to plan for sustainable growth. Growth is exciting, but if it's not planned wisely, it can lead to burnout and collapse. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a long-term plan to ensure a business thrives while preserving resources. This lecture will allow you to understand what sustainable growth means and why it's important. Learn the key elements of a sustainable growth plan. Discover examples of businesses that have successfully achieved sustainable growth. Sustainable growth means growing a business in a way that balances profit, people, and resources. It focuses on achieving long term success without overextending or exhausting resources. For instance, Patagonia, an outdoor clothing brand, prioritizes sustainability. It focuses on environmentally friendly production while maintaining profitability. This approach has earned it loyal customers and consistent growth. Think of business growth as a marathon, not a sprint. A sprinter uses up all his energy quickly and struggles to continue. A marathon runner, on the other hand, paces themselves and lasts the entire race. Sustainable growth works the same way. It ensures that businesses have enough energy, resources, and support to go the distance. A sustainable growth plan starts with a clear vision. Businesses need to define their long term goals and align their strategies to achieve them. For example, Tesla's vision to create a sustainable future through clean energy. This guides its business decisions from electric vehicle to solar power. A clear vision helps businesses stay focused and avoid distractions. Resources such as time, money, and material must be used wisely. Businesses need to avoid waste and find innovative ways to maximize efficiency. Amazon is a great example. Its advanced logistics system reduces delivery times while minimizing cost. This efficiency allows Amazon to scale while maintaining high customer satisfaction. Markets and industries change, and businesses must adapt to survive. A growth plan should include strategies for responding to challenges and seizing new opportunities. Netflix adapted to its business model from DVD rentals to streaming services. This shift helped it stay relevant and dominate the entertainment industry. Without adaptability, businesses risk becoming obsolete. Sustainable growth depends on motivated team and strong leadership. Leaders must inspire their teams and create a culture of collaboration. Microsoft's growth under Satya Nadella highlights this. His leadership transformed the company's culture, encouraging teamwork and innovation. A supportive team ensures the business can handle growth without burnout. A sustainable growth plan includes regular evaluation. Businesses need to track key metrics such as revenue growth, customer retention, and profit margins. This ensures they stay on track and make necessary adjustments. For example, Starbucks tracks customer feedback and sales data to evaluate its performance. This allows the company to identify what works and improve areas that need attention. Choose a business you admire for its sustainable efforts. Write a one-page report on how it balances growth with resource preservation. Include examples of strategies it uses to achieve long-term success. In summary, creating a sustainable growth plan involves having a clear vision, managing resources efficiently, staying adaptable, and building a strong team. These steps ensure that a business grows steadily and thrives over time. What do you think is the most important element of sustainable growth plan? Can you think of a business that demonstrates sustainability? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.